Tianjin Railway Locomotive and Equipment Company District, Tianjin. CRRC Tianjin branch currently employs 35 staff members, all of whom hold college or bachelor's degrees. We have established machining factories of 2,700 and rolling stock accessories. We specialize in the manufacturing and repair of turbochargers and CRRC essential equipment, including one Swiss Gillette 5-axis machining center, one German Schenck overspeed tester, one 135-ton friction welding machine, two 80-ton friction welding machines, one CNC forming slow feed grinding machine, two Swiss Migel machines, two broaching machines, one American hard ingot turning center, two machining centers, four dynamic balancing machines, and one turbocharger test station, totaling over 60 pieces of equipment. We adopt computer programming management, with complete drawings and processes, and a reasonable process flow.